So this is exactly how painting works in Waterpark Simulator. So firstly, you can see this is where you need to grab the painting tool here, as you can see, and you can even change the painting colors here, as you can see. And it's not only the colors that you can also change the pattern, as you can see. So you can actually paint in different pattern as well, which is kind of cool. I'm going to show you. So you can see this is the pink color here. So I have painted this specific pattern here with pink. Let's change the pattern to this one instead here. And you will see that the pattern here changes, but not the color. If you want to change the color, then you will need to once again, of course, change the color on the settings here. For example, let's take this one here, the yellow color as an example. You can see the pattern don't change, but the color do change here. So that is what you can do. You can also change the material. As you can see, you can also paint material if you would want to. But basically that is exactly how painting works in Waterpark Simulator.